So what is dependency array? So this is day 11 of our React interview series in which we'll be talking about what is dependency array. So dependency array decides when use effect will run. So let's go to the example and understand there. So as you can see here, we have this function user in which we have used this use effect, which is just using to fetch some data, and we are printing it inside this paragraph tag. As you can see, user.id and user.name, right? And we have some different thing also. That is, one is we have used this use state to set some users, refresh count and loading. So now what is dependency array in this case? So as you can see in this use effect, we have this refresh count, right, in this dependency array. So what will happen if the state, that is refresh count, will change, then it will fetch the data again. So that's the use of dependency array. So whenever there is something present in the dependency array, and if it is changed, then the use effect will run again and it will render that thing whatever is present inside the use effect. So what is happening? Component will load, use effect will run, API is called, data is received, state update and UI update. That's how the things will work. So see how it works. As you can see, once I'll click this refresh, it will set the loading to true. As you can see, set loading is false, and on clicking this refresh count, as soon as the refresh count is changed, it means the state is changed. So it will again re-render that thing, which will first it will set the loading to true and then it will fetch the data. So while setting the loading to true, it will make, as soon as the loading is true, it will say that's loading user. As you can see here, loading users, and then it will just fetch all the data. That's how the dependency array works. So there's one more case, that is debouncing. We will understand in the next video. So follow for more such videos.